The tu me in politics is nothing new, but should it be done over a tragic disaster like Uttarakhand, where thousands have died and thousands others are still missing? We'll ask some people who've been on the ground, a relief worker and a politician on that in just a bit. But first, here's a look at what the fight's all about, how it started.
As the tragedy continues to unfold in Uttarakhand, politics over the calamity gets more vicious. In a span of a few hours, various politicians tweeted back and forth, blaming each other of apathy, insensitivity and ineptitude. Sushma Swaraj tweeted, "Sorry to say government in Uttarakhand has not been able to rise to the occasion. They ought to be dismissed for being inept and incompetent. The government in Delhi has also failed to provide requisite leadership." Manish Tiwari said, "Leaders of opposition have time to critique government proposals on CBI, but no time to visit Uttarakhand." Sushma Swaraj shot back, "We did not go to Uttarakhand because Home Minister said our visit will hamper rescue effort." And Manish Tiwari said, "The leader of opposition follows Home Minister's advice. How come it does not apply to Rajnath and Modi?" And to Ajay Maken saying, "Don't try to use this calamity as a political opportunity." Sushma Swaraj said, "When we enforce accountability, you call it politics."
Should not play politics out of this natural calamity which has taken place in Uttarakhand. And I still would like to reiterate that we should not play politics and criticizing a state government at the time of this natural calamity when we should support the state government.
जरूर इस बात की को गलत कहना चाहती हूँ जो सुषमा स्वराज जी के द्वारा कही गई।
Modi's own party colleague, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan reacted to reports of Narendra Modi flying into Uttarakhand and rescuing 15,000 Gujaratis and his offer to rebuild the Kedarnath temple. Apart from rescuing pilgrims from Madhya Pradesh, our rescue teams have rescued 1,810 pilgrims from various states without any discrimination.
जो लोग नहीं हैं, जो लोग मिल नहीं रहे हैं, उनको बाहर लाने का जीवित देवता जो है उसकी हम चिंता करें।
Nitish Kumar too didn't miss the opportunity to take a pot shot at Narendra Modi.
रेम्बो टाइप तो हम है नहीं कि वहां कूद जाए और वहां से उठा करके लोगों को निकाल दे, तो ये महारत मुझे नहीं हासिल है।
The BJP though was hardly amused.
कि कहीं बेहतर है रैम्बो होना सिवाय इसके कि डम्बो या स्कैम्बो होने से।
Elections haven't been announced, but the new war of words shows a new electoral battle of mudslinging that will continue in the social media, and political parties are testing the effect of a tweet. In New Delhi, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.